So she was taking a dust bath, but she stopped because I'm filming her.
Of course you do.
But Leah's doing some updates in the hen house, and we're about to build a rooster house here. So we'll show you that progress. Because I don't know if you've been watching Leah's updates on the chickens. We got a couple chickens. How many chickens we got?
A couple, yeah. 50, about 50 new chicks. And they need a new place to live. So all of our birds in the other house are going to move over here. All of our adult birds will be in here.
I initially just set this up to hold like 20 birds on these two. And so we have a nuke perch here, which only highly athletic birds will be able to get to. So we'll see about how that works.
Yeah, I might have to lower it.
Yeah.
It's not that much higher than the low one, though.
No. Pretty close. Just seems high to me.
It is high, which is not what I intended to do. I must have not been paying attention. I gotta fix this perch up here, too.
Excellent work. So that's going on there. And then we have this giant timber frame laying down in the back here. Take a look at this. So I'm waiting on the right tool to move it. It's completely assembled, extremely long. It's a little bit more than 60 feet long. Doug fir. No, this is ponderosa. Actually, ponderosa pine. You might have seen these pieces that we loaded earlier. And now the kit is all together. These are strong backs, which we'll use for lifting. And these are the anchors we got. These cost about 50 bucks each. They move a little, and so at the end you can move this around a little, but they should be set pretty close. So the object here, and here's the back timber frame that's holding the deck up. So the object here is to hook it up in two places and to lift this up into place and just sit it down. Now something like this weighs a few thousand pounds. I would probably say about 3,500. And so you need the right piece of equipment for it. So that's what we're waiting on. My neighbor has the right piece of equipment, but I think he's on vacation. So I might have to go rent myself a genie or a lull, a high lift. It can hold about 6,000 pounds and lift this up. So stay tuned. Oh, look at Grammy. Leah working hard in the chicken house.